Feeling lost staring at a blank slide? You're not alone. Creating presentations can be really a struggle. But what if I told you that there is a way to go from a blank slide to audience applause without hours of stressing? Introducing ChatGPT, your secret weapon for creating presentations that's wow. Imagine brainstorming killer ideas, getting great design tips, and also getting some personalized coaching on your delivery. This video isn't another tutorial. Discover tricks that will transform your presentation skills into audience magnets. Whether you're a seasoned presenter or just starting out, I will share with you proven strategies and tricks that I learned to take my presentation skills from drab to dynamic. So, are you ready to transform your skills and become the next office presentation guru that everyone turns to for an advice? Stick around because I will share with you 5 key ingredients that you need for presentation mastery and a strategy that you will not find anywhere else. Let's dive in. Okay, let's dive into the future of creating presentations, where a blank slide becomes a canvas for your ideas, where you can splash colors and designs. But how, you will ask? Imagine a tool so powerful that it will turn your thoughts into a masterpiece. Yes, I'm talking about ChatGPT, your new sidekick in presentation mastery. Okay, first, brainstorming. Stuck on where to begin? Let's throw in a prompt.
Alright, we will go to ChatGPT and we will ask it to generate a creative theme for a tech presentation.
Watch as ideas you didn't even know you had start flowing.
We also get immediately tips on visual style, presentation structure, and engagement ideas.
Wait, there's more. Do you need an idea that will make the audience cling to your every word?
So I will just ask ChatGPT to create an outline for my presentation on innovative tech solutions. And ChatGPT just immediately composes a presentation on innovative tech solutions with different slides and sections.
And for the cherry on top, let ChatGPT fill in statistics, data, facts, and quotes to make your presentation unforgettable.
Amazing. For each part and for each slide, I get a catchy fact and a quote. And here is a secret magic trick that I promised at the start. Imagine captivating your audience with a story so engaging that they can't help but watching. Ready for this? Let's ask ChatGPT to generate a compelling story related to my tech scheme. And there you have it, the narrative that will glue everyone to their seats. Eyes on you, minds blown.
And that's, my friend, is just the beginning. With ChatGPT, you are not just crafting presentations, you are creating experiences. Stick around for the next part where we turn our ideas into visual spectacles. Welcome back, visionaries. Now, when we nail down our killer content, it's time to dress to impress. But not just with a simple dress. I'm talking about a tailored suit that will make heads turn. Ready to make your slides the talk of the office? Let's dive into the art of designing presentations with ChatGPT that will make your audience jaws drop. Ever felt like designing presentations is not your cup of tea? Fear not, because ChatGPT is just about to become your personal design guru. First up, color themes. Watch this.
Let's just go to ChatGPT and ask for a color scheme for a presentation on sustainable energy. And we get several alternatives: green, blue, yellow, gold, white.
And just like magic, we got colors that not only pop but also convey our message. But why stop here? Fonts and layouts are the secret ingredients that turn presentations from good to a masterpiece.
So here ChatGPT suggests me different fonts for titles and for headings, for body text, and why I should choose these fonts.
Bam! And you got yourself a recipe for success. Now for the skeptics that think that AI cannot understand nuances of design, prepare to be stunned.
Let's ask ChatGPT to fully design a slide layout for a slide titled The Future of AI. And here we get it, the background, the color schemes and texture, the font, positioning, and everything you need to know.
And there you have it, guys, a slide that is not just informative but visually stunning. Remember the crazy tricks I promised? Here's where ChatGPT takes it up a notch. Get ready for a concept so visually intriguing that it will be a highlight of your presentation.
And this is really great, so we can ask for a visual metaphor for connecting with the audience in presentations as an example. Let's see, ChatGPT is generating an image, and here is the result. Yes, this visualizes how you connect with audiences.
And just like that, you got yourself not just a slide, but a visual journey that captures hearts and minds. With ChatGPT, you're not just presenting, you're telling a story, you're mesmerizing. Don't let your presentations be forgettable. Let ChatGPT be your ally to create masterpieces that resonate. Stay tuned for the part 3, where we show how to bring those designs to life. Because in the world of presentation, a good design is not just seen, it's also felt. Let's make presentation history together. Just when you thought that creating presentations could not be any more thrilling, we're taking a leap to the world of engagement like never seen before. Buckle up, because this ride into interactive presentations is gonna be wild. Imagine turning a static slide into interactive adventure that captivates your audience from start to finish. Sounds like a dream? With ChatGPT, it's your new reality. Let's dive into making your presentations not just to be seen, but also experienced. Ever thought of turning your presentation into two-way street? Watch this.
So I'll ask ChatGPT to generate some questions so my presentation on climate change would be more interactive. And I get a list of different questions, and some are true or false, or multiple choice or open-ended questions. These are really good questions. They will definitely make my presentation more interactive.
And just like that, you've got engagement gold. But why stop here? Let's amp up the interaction.
And live polls are always good ideas. You get your audience so engaged, and here ChatGPT creates a live poll for me. So one of the questions is about renewable energy source preferences or investment priorities and the impact of renewable energy.
Voila! Engagement that sparks curiosity and conversation. Ready for the secret weapon? Get ready for an activity so engaging it will get everyone on the edge of their seats.
Let's ask ChatGPT to create a game or an activity that can be integrated to a presentation. Let's see what it will come up with. Innovation bingo! Oh, that sounds fun. Everyone loves bingo, right? Idea speed dating, innovation challenges, building a prototype, the why ladder, the future scenarios. These are really, really good ideas. And then I also get some suggestions for how to integrate this into my presentation.
And just when you thought it couldn't get any more cooler, imagine wrapping up your presentation with a virtual tour related to your topic.
Let's ask ChatGPT to suggest a VR experience to the presentation. Let's see what it comes up. Journey through the future of technology. I get the whole description. Also, it provides everything I need to know to ensure the experience, like that they are headsets and that it's accessible for everyone, and then there are adjustable settings.
And there you have it, a finale that transports your audience right to the future. Gone are the days of one-dimensional presentations. With ChatGPT, you are not just sharing information, you are creating experience that engage, inspire, and resonate. Stay tuned for the part 4, where we will reveal how to rehearse and refine your presentation to perfection. Transform your presentation into journeys that your audience will not forget. All right, champions of the boardroom, you crafted your masterpiece, but the magic doesn't stop there. It's showtime, and I've got the ultimate toolkit to ensure that your delivery is nothing short of legendary. Make your presentation to be not just heard but felt. Ready to rehearse like a pro? Let's do it. Imagine having a coach that is so tuned with your needs that it can give you a personalized feedback on your delivery. ChatGPT, our AI maestro, is about to turn your rehearsal game on its head.
So you can just ask ChatGPT to provide a feedback on my presentation rehearsal. There you can provide your whole presentation and then you get really good tips.
Watch as ChatGPT not only critiques but elevates your performance with actionable insights.
Let's ask ChatGPT to suggest ways to improve my speech delivery. And here comes tips from ChatGPT. Practice, practice, practice. Of course, practice is really important. Then we get mastering your pace, engaging with the audience, handling nerves. These are really, really useful tips.
And for those nail-biting moments before you step into the spotlight, just ask GPT, because even the best ones sometimes need extra push.
You can also ask ChatGPT to provide some tips for overcoming presentation nerves. Here we get them. Prepare thoroughly, familiarize yourself with the venue, employ relaxation techniques.
Think you're ready? Here's the grand finale, the secret sauce.
And these guys is a really good thing to have. It's a checklist before, if you have a really important presentation, it's a really good tool that you can use. And ChatGPT creates just a fantastic checklist. So you have different sections here: content and structure, technical preparation, visual aids and handouts, preparation of yourself, which is always really important.
This isn't just a checklist, this is your golden ticket to a flawless performance. Armed with ChatGPT wisdom, you are not just going through motions, you are rehearsing to make history. This is where good turns into great, and from being listened to being remembered. Stay tuned for our grand finale, where we combine all of this and unveil the presentation of your dreams. We journey through the art of content creation, design mastery, and interaction magic. Now brace yourself for the grand finale, where all our efforts merge for one masterpiece showcase. This isn't just any presentation, it's a presentation of your dreams crafted with intelligence never seen before. Ready to witness the revolution? Hold on, because I will reveal what you've been waiting for. How to add a mind-blowing AI element to my presentation. That's what we asked ChatGPT, and what was the answer?
Alright, suggestion number 1, live AI demonstration. You can use an interactive chatbot or virtual assistant during your presentation, or real-time language transcripts, really smart. You can show how you generated the content with AI, visuals or content recommendations, use AI-powered analytics, and interactive AI experiences. Of course, AR and VR are top there. And if you wanna surprise your audience for real, try using narrative generated by AI or futuristic AI predictions. What is important is that ChatGPT also provides preparation tips on how to include these AI elements into your presentation. Really cool.
A custom AI interaction that will make your audience astonished and your presentation not just be heard but also deeply felt. And for those who dare to dream bigger, generate a futuristic concept for my presentation finale.
And because my presentation is on innovative tech solutions, ChatGPT generates a whole concept. It calls it the portal, and here you would use AR glasses. I get the whole setup, activation, the scenarios. The scenarios are regarding sustainable cities or healthcare revolutions, and which interactive elements should be included. ChatGPT is creating an experience here. Now this is the next level of presentations.
Imagine finishing your presentation with not just a simple thank you, but a glimpse of a future that will leave your audience not just impressed but inspired. This is where we transform ordinary presentations into extraordinary journeys. With ChatGPT, you are not just a presenter, you're a storyteller, you're a visionary, and your presentations, they become legends. The future of presentations is here, and it's yours to seize. Let ChatGPT be your best friend, your muse, your architect. Dive into a new era of storytelling, and let's together create presentations that not only engage, but they also can change the world. Subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more secrets to unlock your potential. Together, we're not just making presentations, we're making history. And there you have it. the trailblazers of the boardroom. Together we traveled from the blank slides to the masterpieces of creativity and imagination. And this was all possible with the help of ChatGPT. But remember, this is just the beginning in revolutionizing how do you present your ideas. We've unlocked secrets together. We created slides with great content, but also beautiful design. Together we made our presentations interactive, and we also rehearsed. And finally we showcase a presentation that not only informs but transforms. And the secret ingredient is your creativity fueled with ChatGPT capabilities. But let me leave you with this final nugget of wisdom. The greatest presentations are those that resonate with your audience's hearts, not only minds. ChatGPT can be your tool, your assistant, but the soul of the presentation, it's only you. So what's next? The stage is yours to claim. The spotlight is waiting for you. Dive in, experiment with ChatGPT, and tell me about your experience. Push the boundaries of what you thought was possible and create presentations that matter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for unleashing more potential with your AI. We're on this journey together, and I can't wait to see where it can take us. So go innovate and test and try, and remember that the world of presentation is not just sharing information. You are sharing a part of yourself. Make it count. Until the next time, keep dreaming big and reach for the stars.